When you're confronted with fear, it literally seize up and you can't do anything. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple hacks that I do which helps me overcome fear. Now, I've skied and I've coached many clients on the mountain, and even the people with the best skills and the best mindset, sometimes they get in these tricky situations and they just can't move because they're completely taken by fear. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple hacks and share those hacks with you so that you can overcome fear actually in the moment. Fear is a really positive thing, and a lot of people are scared of it, and especially these days, our day-to-day life, we're never actually really confronted with fear. And it's the fight or flight response. So you can basically fight and go through fear, or you can actually flight away and not use your tools. So when I'm in the actual fear mode and I'm actually scared, whether it's exposure, whether it's self-doubt, what I try and do, really important, is number 1 is I try to breathe. I take a really deep breath in and I take a deep breath out, and with that I can actually reset my mind, okay, and actually focus in the here and now, which is so important. Number 2 is movement. Whatever you do not want to do is actually freeze. So don't suddenly freeze and do nothing. It's really important to keep moving. So what I try and do is I try and think about moving maybe little steps left, right, or just keep sliding on the skis. So I keep moving and I've got that momentum. You do not want to lose that momentum. Now, if you do have any comments, don't forget to put the comments down below and I'll get back to you. Now, number 3, really important, is the inner game, and it's so important because you've got to believe in yourself, okay? You've got to come up with some positive mindset and words. I can do this, I have done this before, and you've got to think about the benefits behind it as well. I can push through this, and how much am I going to feel confident when I've done this? Boom! See you in the next one.